Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this tabletop under mount and come out one. Okay. So let's say if you can do something like this. Okay. You can use this custom bathroom cabinet. Okay. Just drag the bathroom first. So we drag this side first, one, and drag another side, two. Okay. So I'll give this one 600 lah, 2 feet. Okay, then we put the sink here. Okay, and this one I will put according to the picture, right? Picture here below got a drawer, so we will just drag one drawer. Let me find with drawer one. Okay, cabinet with drawer. Yes. Okay, just drag cabinet with drawer. We choose this kind of cabinet. Okay, you see it? Then we just click B, board selection, delete. No, not B. Okay, exit first. Click on the drawer, delete only. Or later we do the tabletop. Then we put sink. Okay. So if this one, we create the tabletop first. Create the tabletop first. Don't worry about that. Just click here, create tabletop. Okay. So this one you can simply choose lah. Okay. Under mount also never mind because I'm not gonna using the sink inside the library because it's too complicated. I'm gonna use an easier way. So here the banner, right? This one you may delete or press B, board selection, delete it. Okay. So you can go out, then you go to crowd. Okay. In crowd here we got this called what? The sink. So you can go to furniture, bathroom, sink. Then you choose the sink that looks similar. So for what I remember just now, I have checked this sink will quite similar. You have to choose the sink with similar, then you modify it. Okay. Next. Almost there. Yeah, this one. Okay. They look similar. Okay. So I'll just drag out first. Rotate it. Okay. Change the size. Or if you want to change the size, make it 300. No, this one untick first. This one I want Control Z. Okay. Select again. See the number are not correct. This one proportion untick. Okay, then 300. Then looks similar lah. Okay, it looks similar, right? Okay. Then just move it lah. Simple move it. Move it something like this here or below here, move it only. I use the easier method lah. If you want, you can use complicated one. Okay. Okay. So this one I may like to adjust again. I'm gonna press C lah. This simple button. I'll press Z first. Okay, move it down all the way. Then press C to move it up also. This one. Okay, something like this. So they look almost alike. Okay, then I'll just adjust this one, so-called tabletop. Right click, edit the tabletop. We can edit the tabletop as we like. This button, yeah, edit. Okay, we add midpoint. Add one midpoint on the line. Select the line first, then add midpoint. This point I will move until here, somewhere here. Okay. Then add another midpoint. Select this one. Add another midpoint. Okay. We'll move somewhere here. Around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. Then you can select this one. The line here. Move it inside. Don't worry lah. We can move approximately. We can move approximately. Inside first. Generate. Tada. Okay. So almost same. We just need to put some Faucet. Okay. So to find the Faucet, very simple. You can go back to the crowd, then find the Faucet. Or to make life so complicated, you can find here others. Here because if you use back the setting, they will be very difficult to use. Okay, so I'll prefer use this method. Let me find the gold color one. Faucet, yes, almost this one. Here, maybe in front a bit. This one, or maybe I drag this one. Okay, then change it to gold color. Oh, wait a moment. Drag this first. Put here. Then apply the gold color. Maybe gold matte. Simply drag. Oh, nowadays we got edit material, guys. Also no need drag also lah. You can just go for here, edit material, metal. Maybe you choose gold. They look more gold. Maybe I choose this one. Drag to the faucet. Yes. Look gold. Save. Quick. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye.